Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're showcasing a stunning collection of the most beautiful and adorable crochet dress designs for 2025. If you love handmade fashion, elegant craftsmanship, and timeless beauty, then you're in the right place. Crochet dresses continue to capture hearts around the world, and in 2025, designers have introduced even more creative, stylish, and eye-catching patterns than ever before. These dresses combine comfort, elegance, and artistry, making them perfect for a wide variety of occasions. As you watch this collection, you'll notice the incredible attention to detail in every design. From delicate lace-inspired patterns to intricate floral motifs, each crochet dress tells its own unique story. The skill and dedication that go into creating these beautiful pieces make them truly special. One of the most exciting trends this year is the use of modern silhouettes combined with traditional crochet techniques. This perfect blend of classic craftsmanship and contemporary fashion creates dresses that are both fashionable and timeless. Whether you prefer long flowing gowns, elegant midi dresses, or charming short styles, there is something here for every taste and personality. The color choices featured in these crochet designs are equally impressive. Soft pastel shades create a gentle and romantic look, while vibrant colors bring energy and confidence. Neutral tones continue to remain popular, offering a sophisticated and versatile appearance suitable for many occasions. These crochet dresses are perfect for casual outings, family gatherings, special celebrations, vacations, beach events, and even formal occasions. Their lightweight and breathable nature makes them comfortable to wear while maintaining an elegant and stylish appearance. Another wonderful feature of crochet fashion is its uniqueness. Unlike mass-produced clothing, many crochet dresses are handmade or crafted with exceptional attention to detail. This gives each piece a distinctive character that helps the wearer stand out beautifully. As you continue watching, take inspiration from the various patterns, textures, and creative designs on display. Whether you're a crochet enthusiast, a fashion lover, or someone looking for ideas for your next handmade project, these dresses offer endless inspiration. The beauty of crochet lies not only in its appearance, but also in the artistry behind every stitch. We hope this collection inspires you and helps you discover your favorite crochet dress designs for 2025. Let us know which style caught your attention the most and which design you would love to wear or create. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this collection of beautiful and adorable crochet dress designs, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fashion inspiration and crochet ideas. Enjoy the rest of the showcase, and we'll see you in the next video.